How to get any woman and make her fall in love with you. Advice for men. In the quest for love and companionship, the journey of attracting and keeping a partner is often paved with advice that ranges from the simplistic to the complex. For men seeking to find and maintain a connection with a woman, understanding the nuanced dance of romance is crucial. This essay delves into the essential aspects of forming genuine connections based on respect, appreciation, and authenticity. It underscores the importance of specific words and actions, while highlighting the ultimate significance of being oneself in the pursuit of love. Transitioning from the broad landscape of romantic endeavors to the specifics, let us first explore the profound impact of language in the realm of love. Words, after all, are the initial emissaries of our intentions and emotions. The power of words in romance. In the complex ballet of human interactions, where every nuance and gesture carries a myriad of unspoken truths, the power of language emerges as a guiding light, a key to unlocking the depths of human connection and understanding. Language, in its essence, is not merely a collection of sounds or written symbols. It is a repository of our deepest emotions, intentions, and the very spirit of our being. This is especially true in the nuanced realm of romantic relationships, where the choice of words can either weave a tapestry of closeness or unravel the threads of a budding connection. Take, for example, the simple act of using a woman's name. Far from being just a label, it is a profound acknowledgement of her identity and existence. It signals a willingness to engage with her on a personal level, a desire to understand her unique essence. This recognition, seemingly minor, acts as a catalyst for genuine interaction, laying the foundation for a connection that transcends the superficial. Similarly, the expression of gratitude carries with it a power to transform. Saying thank you is more than a social nicety, it is a recognition of the other's value and contribution. It celebrates the beauty of the shared human experience, fostering a climate where mutual respect and appreciation can flourish. Such expressions of gratitude, when given freely and sincerely, plant the seeds for a love that is nourished by mutual admiration and respect. In the delicate dance of love, compliments become a language of their own. When delivered with heartfelt sincerity and tailored to the recipient, they are not empty flatteries but affirmations of the individual's inherent worth, achievements, and character. This genuine acknowledgement has the power to uplift, to reinforce a woman's sense of self-esteem, and to fortify the bond between partners with a strength that is both tender and resilient. Yet, the journey of connection is not without its trials. Misunderstandings and missteps are part of the human condition, making the act of apologizing an integral aspect of any relationship. To apologize with grace, owning one's mistakes, and expressing true remorse, is to demonstrate a profound level of maturity and accountability. These moments, vulnerable as they may be, are crucial in solidifying trust and respect, the very pillars upon which enduring relationships are built. Thus, through the harmonious ensemble of words, names uttered with deep respect, gratitude shared with heartfelt warmth, compliments that resonate with sincerity, and apologies imbued with genuine regret, language reveals itself as a potent vessel for love and deep, lasting connections. It stands as a testament to the timeless art of building meaningful relationships, showcasing how, through the careful selection and delivery of words, we can bridge the gaps between souls, knitting together the fabric of a love that is as profound as it is enduring. In this intricate dance of connection, the mindful use of language becomes not just a tool, but a gift, an offering of one's truest self in the pursuit of shared understanding and unity. While the words we choose play a pivotal role in expressing our feelings and forging connections, the actions we undertake are equally, if not more, expressive. They are the tangible manifestations of our words, bringing to life the promises and affections we voice. The significance of actions. In the intricate ballet of human interactions, actions often eclipse words, painting emotions in strokes broad and subtle. A smile, that simplest curve of lips acts as a universal passport to goodwill, slicing through the thickest walls of reserve to touch another's soul. It's more than a mere twitch of muscles, it's a radiant beacon of friendliness, a silent communicator of one's inner joy and confidence. It invites openness, sets at ease, and builds the first bridge over the chasm of estrangement. Then there's the power of eye contact, those silent conversations between gazes that speak volumes. In the delicate dance of glances, a look can convey profound attention, signaling a deep-seated interest that words might struggle to articulate. This eye-to-eye connection weaves a thread of intimacy, subtly affirming, "I see you, I am here with you," fostering a bond that transcends the verbal. The language of touch, when welcomed, speaks directly to the heart. A gentle caress, a reassuring hand on the shoulder, speaks of comfort, connection, and an unspoken promise of support. It's an expression of desire, care, and belonging that words can only approximate, deepening the emotional and physical connection that is vital to any meaningful relationship. Gift-giving, in its essence, is not a transaction but a testament to thoughtfulness. A gift, regardless of its material worth, is a tangible representation of the giver's attention to the recipient's preferences and desires, a celebration of the unique understanding between two people. Compromise, though less tangible, is the keystone of enduring partnerships. It embodies the willingness to blend one's desires with the needs of another, crafting a harmony that sustains mutual contentment and respect. In the give and take of compromise, relationships find their equilibrium, thriving on the shared commitment to each other's happiness. Through these actions, each a verse in the poetry of connection, love articulates itself in dimensions words alone cannot reach, creating a mosaic of mutual respect, understanding, and affection that forms the bedrock of any lasting relationship. Actions, as they unfold in the dance of romance, communicate our intentions vividly. However, the essence that imbues both words and actions with unparalleled power is authenticity. It is the golden thread that ties our expressions to the truth of our being. The cornerstone of authenticity. In the delicate ballet of love, where every word spoken and gesture made carries the weight of countless unspoken emotions, the principle of authenticity emerges as the silent yet formidable foundation. This is not about mere transparency or the superficial exchange of pleasantries. Authenticity is the soul of all genuine connections, demanding a level of honesty, consistency, and valor that is rare and precious. It asks of us to peel away the facades we often hide behind, to stand in our truth, with all its imperfections and beauty on display. It's a call to vulnerability, to show up as we truly are, without the armor of pretense or the fear of judgment. In doing so, it creates a sanctuary where souls can meet, truly and deeply, fostering an environment ripe for trust, respect, and profound understanding to flourish. In this hallowed space, love finds its purest expression, unencumbered by doubts or insecurities. Authenticity allows love to bloom in its most pristine form, a love that is not tainted by pretense or marred by misunderstandings. It's here that two people can look into each other's eyes and see not just the reflection of their own selves, but the depth of their shared connection, a connection that is as real as it gets. Furthermore, authenticity serves as the bedrock for mutual growth in a relationship. It champions a dynamic where both partners are seen, heard, and valued, their individual perspectives and emotions respected and cherished. This principle challenges the all-too-familiar urge to contort oneself into shapes and forms that are alien, simply to fit into the mold of another's expectations. Instead, it calls for a partnership built on mutual support and encouragement, a partnership where both individuals are given the space and freedom to grow and evolve, not apart, but together. Such a partnership is not static, it is a vibrant, ever-evolving entity that thrives on the shared commitment to personal and collective development. In this journey of evolution, authenticity acts not just as the compass that guides, but also as the bond that holds everything together. It ensures that even as each person grows and changes, the connection between them remains steadfast and true. This unbreakable bond, forged in the fires of sincerity and mutual respect, becomes the strongest testament to the power of being genuine. In essence, authenticity in love is about stripping away the unnecessary, the superficial, the ephemeral, to reveal the core of what makes us human. It's about finding beauty in the real, strength in the vulnerable, and endless possibilities in the space between two people who dare to be true to themselves and each other. This is the kind of love that transcends time and circumstance, a love that is as enduring as it is profound. In a world that often values the facade over the foundation, choosing authenticity is a radical act of love, both for oneself and for the person with whom one chooses to share this journey. With authenticity as the guiding principle in our journey through the art of love, we arrive at a crucial realization. Love, in its most enduring form, is not merely about attraction or affection, but about the genuine connection that blooms from being true to oneself and to each other. The art of attracting and keeping a woman goes beyond mere tactics and strategies. It is about cultivating a genuine connection that stands the test of time. This involves a delicate balance of the right words and actions, all underpinned by the authenticity of the self. Love, in its essence, is about finding someone who appreciates you for who you are, sharing in your joys and sorrows, and walking together on the path of life. As we navigate the complexities of relationships, let us remember that the strongest bonds are built on sincerity, trust, and shared experiences. In the end, it is not just about finding love, but also about nurturing it with the honesty, respect, and care it deserves. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means the world to us.